An octopus can change the wiring of its brain without changing its genes. That sounds like science fiction. It's real. Meet RNA editing, a molecular act of rebellion. Instead of mutating DNA, octopuses edit the messages that run from their genome to their proteins. They literally rewrite the instructions the cell is using, on the fly. Scientists diving into cephalopod brains found something jaw-dropping. In the cells that control nerves and behavior, millions of RNA letters are being swapped, inserted, and recoded. The changes reshape ion channels, neurotransmitter receptors, and other proteins that determine how neurons fire and how circuits behave. Imagine tuning a radio station instead of replacing the transmitter. Want faster reflexes in cold water? Edit the channel. Need a different sensory filter? Edit the receptor. The octopus doesn't wait for evolution. It edits. This isn't a tiny trick. The scale is massive. Their editing is concentrated in the nervous system, creating protein variants that don't exist in the DNA blueprint. In effect, each octopus manufactures a customized brain at the molecular level. Why is that so disruptive? Because DNA mutations are slow and permanent. RNA edits are fast and reversible. Cephalopods get the benefits of adaptability without committing their descendants to the change. It's an evolutionary shortcut, a way to explore new neural possibilities in real time. And there's a cost. Editing at this level can be messy. It leaves fragile trade-offs between short-term flexibility and long-term stability. Researchers think this might explain why cephalopods evolved brilliant behavior, but rarely pass those exact tweaks to future generations. Now imagine the implications. A creature that can reprogram its own nervous system blurs the line between hardware and software in biology. For neuroscientists, it suggests new ways brains can adapt. For biotech, it's a blueprint for therapies that tune proteins without touching DNA. But there's something almost poetic here. Each octopus, through a storm of molecular edits, becomes an individual thinker. Not just because of experience, but because their cells rewrite the very molecules that make thought possible. They aren't only learning, they're reauthoring the tools they use to learn. Next time you watch an octopus slip through rocks or solve a puzzle, remember, part of that intelligence was written in invisible ink, corrected in the margins by the animal itself. If this blew your mind, hit follow for more untold biological secrets. Share this so someone else learns that nature learned to program first.